Welcome to episode 11 of the Lake Hill City Birds. I hope y'all had a wonderful Independence Day. Today I'm going to show you how to make bird feeders out of 2-liter bottles. My other feeders got attacked by squirrels. As you can see, they ate a big chunk out of this one. For this project you will need a 2-liter bottle, plastic plate or saucer, wire or some strong string, scissors, knives, or ice pick, or actually I used all three, and a glue gun or super glue. I used these plastic saucers I had left over. You can get these on the paper plate aisle at the grocery store. They are very lightweight and they look more like real plates than the paper plates do. I'm using the saucer size because that's all I have left. A regular plate size would work too, especially if you want the bigger birds to be able to eat. They may have difficulty with the saucer size. Make sure your bottle is washed and dried. Remove the lid and then put glue on the top of the lid. I used a lot because I want to make sure it sticks. Place the lid face down on the middle of the plate and press it for a few minutes to make sure it sticks, and then you just set it aside until it dries. Take the 2-liter bottle and cut holes about a ½ an inch from where the lid screws on. You need 3 or 4 holes around the bottle for the birds to have access to the seeds. I use an ice pick to start the holes, and then I get a knife or a pair of scissors to finish it up. I'm using sunflower bird seed, so I make sure it's big enough for the sunflower seeds to come out easily. On the bottom of the bottle, I take an ice pick and I make 2 holes, one on each side, straight across from one another, and this will be for the hanger. I'm using some vinyl coated wire I had in my craft supplies. I'm taking the ends and pressing them down so they will stick through the holes without coming out. If you're using wire or string, you just want to make sure you get that through those holes and make a hanger. Now you can screw the lid back on and you have a bird feeder. It's just that easy. Let's take it outside and fill it with some seed. These are very easy to make and are a cheap alternative. I prefer to make cheap bottle bird feeders than spend money on feeders that the squirrels will mess up anyway. At least this way I'm not losing any money when the squirrels attack my feeders. Thanks for watching. I hope y'all have a blessed weekend. I will leave y'all with some photos of the birds enjoying the new feeders. Bye for now.